So the bad news I got for today is that I actually blew my engine. Um, I was racing down the 95 with some buddies, and I think it's because I didn't tune my car to the right gas, and I ended up having a rod knock, and I drove home, and it got kind of worse, and I just parked it up, and yeah, that's the big news. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, but I'm gonna have to take it to my tuner Jesse, and I'm thinking I'm gonna just go ahead and just tear the whole engine apart and see if I could do like a 600 horsepower build, and I'm gonna go from there for real, because it's like, if I'm gonna go tearing apart the engine, doing all this extra shit, I'm gonna just go ahead and, you know. So that's the big news on that. It's knocking. It's not stupid loud, but it's still, as soon as I hit like 6,000 RPMs, it starts rattling, and that's the big news. So I'm hoping next month, my car should be down at Jesse's shop, maybe a month or two. So I just made a deposit down there, talked to him already, got a quote, and yeah, that's the big news. So hopefully we get this popping. So see you guys.